Door to the shed is fairly snowed in.
Brand new shovels.
Damien found 2 brand new premium shovels. It's good.
It's amazing.
Perfect, just wall.
Yep, it's a wall.
Back to the fucking torture.
Yeah.
The key to penetration is a nice sharp tip, you know. Ooh, it's rusty there. Spots.
Spread 'em, boys.
I almost forgot. Fuck off.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh.
Lovely.
It's a bit,
Yeah, just a small bit crusty there. Lovely.
Great. You hear that?
Yeah.
It's raining rust.
Oh shit. Oh. The eye for the ribs. Another one.
And I didn't chop the airline in half.
So here's the car with no fucking roof on it. That's ridiculous.
It's a Baja bug now. That's actually not too bad.
Ah man, it scares me what's hiding under all these cars. Like imagine all the lads that think they have minters.
Like that one's all lovely.
Yeah, it's just a
there.
stare. It's weird seeing the car. Literally looks like a fucking skeleton. Yeah, I didn't think I'd have to get this deep, but it makes for a interesting video, I guess. Off comes the roof.
We laughed at. You know the crust. It's like Goodfellas pizza. It's thin and crispy. Nasty. Crust. Keep that piece.
Yes.
Go back in.
Safe.
Not too bad.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a lot worse there. Rust, lovely rust. It's framing you with some rust.
Nice. I'm still gonna replace
Just a piece.
Just put in.
Crispy delight.
Not too bad. Rust-free twin cam is unicorn poop.
Yeah, I think that's total bullshit.
Yep.
She's rust-free, lad.
Less rusty, I think would be a more accurate term. Das ist nicht bitter.
Stab. Stab action. This roof was taken off another car, obviously, and when they got to the two bolts here for the hinges, they just fucking cut around on both of them. But she's a roof, and it will do. I got it for cheap. We sound like pricks. We're just laughing at it. It's funny.
This is hatchetry at its
This
finest.
is, yeah. This
I mean,
is.
look, there's two 13s under here, and the hinge just like walked off the car, and two more spot welds. I mean, lads, come on.
Yeah.
Seriously, lads. Now I've got to weld that piece back in, because if I don't, Neil will be gay and start crying.
Yeah, I'll be sad.
Panel beating, lad.
Bit of baiting.
Bit of baiting on the panel. Looking better already.
Giving it a bit of a shiatsu massage, man. Am I making my sex face again?
Yeah.
Pure
Cool.
bait. Now the Japanese braise weld, is it?
Yeah. Mintness.
That's fucking very exciting.
Factory mintness.
Yeah. So yeah, this trip rail is pretty fucking crusty, but we got lucky because we got this one. Crusty. Look at that. It's got a-
Factory REM, factory teabag.
Thanks, Dougie. Homemade crank pulley puller. Yeah, impressive. You always have the right tool for the right job here. Wow.
Aesthetically pleasing.
More spider, you fuck cunts. Yeah. Right. So in the same night, or day, we got some shit done with the roof, and now we are taking apart the rest of my engine, taking out the crank.
Ow. My knuckles. This squirts the tofu
Yeah, squirts the tofu onto the
onto the bunta.
boat.
Bunta just loves a good oil jet squirting.
Yeah, loves it. Nice. So now we rebuild the rear calipers. So just taking out the old seals. We have brand new seal kit from Toyota. So we just going to hand hone here. Me so horny. Me so fucking bollocks.
Out she comes.
It looks like something that's gonna stick into you, like just fucking. Me so horny.
And then I filled it with jizz. Jizz. Glazed. Oh no.
Reach in here for a. Oh. Piston time.
Yummy.
Now you look weird, you better put it back in. I'll tell you what.
Put it back in.
Put it back in now.
Come on, you have it in one of the other vlogs. Just put it in this one as well.
Oh, you did it up. Unreal.
Real.
Looks like anal vomit.
Here, set
Look at
this.
it.
Oh!
You have just set the shed on fire. Like, really? On the fucking setting the shed on fire. Look, I'm helping. It rotates, it sets it more on fire. Look, the bench is enough.
Like that, the little.
And the dessert is ready.
Oh no!
Oh, listen to her.
Oh!
I wonder how
Now,
universal.
they've been flame treated.
Shitty bottom.
I don't think so, are we?
Or are we just doing this? Indoor barbecue thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pistons are burny hot. Seal kit. Oh, it's the same kind of deal as the front.
Everybody loves a good money shot.
It's good.
Well,
Yeah, aggressive.
then this thing just falls in there.
Yeah.
Then you have this spring thing which goes in.
Yeah.
And you have this thing.
That just goes in
And
like
then
that.
basically you shake it all around.
And then.
Ta-da!
Night Fairy. Where's that?
I've got a good one for you. What's this?
Sharpie.
Yes. What's this?